BYC goes to Malabuyoc!
Hey, where have you been? I've been looking for you now and then. Someone just like you, who can make me feel the way you do. Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. Let's run away. All I need is you, now and always.
Oh, tagan kayo siya, guys.
Mo di ka kita te.
Di man, dili sila maklaro. Hala, oh my gosh. Hello, good morning days friends. Welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video guys, I'm gonna do a day in the life of a travel vlogger. Wow. I just want to share with you guys what's going on in my day as a travel vlogger. I'm going to show you some BTS, mga inana guys. So yes guys, let's enjoy the day. We're here at Kawasan Marine EcoTours and diving. So we're gonna see the big clams here. And yeah, I'm still with my BYC fam. So nako there sa among room guys. So I'm with Brgy. So manay akong bed with my sister. Akong sister kay na dito. And as you can see here guys, mo ni siya ang view nimo from the window. So yeah, that will be our agenda for today. Follow me with this adventure and let's go. So man ako change guys and I'm ready to swim na. Pero before ko mo ato guys kay mag-ano sa ta diri mag pictorial diri sa ilang view. Oh, dira guys, tanawa. And I see her mouth. Wala ha over. O sa oras man ako man?
1. Almost 3.
Oh, grabe. Sige mag.
Pinaksayo ni mata.
Mag picture ta diri guys, tara. These friends, so manamig Victorial, no? And guys, nana sila si Maan dito. Naligo na si Maan. Tara ay. Ambot lang guys. Dili pa man ko na maklaro ang mga big clams. Kay, tanawa, dili kayo nindot siguro ang visibility dito sa ilaw. Kay, wala man kay Sun. Good, wala kayo nagpakita si Mr. Sun. Alright these friends, so maligo na ako guys. Yeah. Kuan, layuan ko ni baby girl. Oh, kabugat na yan. Oy, hala.
Ay, bisa sa bahay na, libek.
Tara.
Dali ba?
Ari ka dito, ano ka dito, ana?
Feeling about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it anymore.
So guys, we're still cleaning the kayak. Ay, pugaw siya. Alright, these friends. So, nanawang kayak guys. Limpyo na. Thank you guys. Oh, muna sila ako mga kuan. Pwede na ko. Asaman ko. Ali ko sa front.
It's like there was nobody there, like you loved nobody else. Yeah, I wish I could turn the time back.
Wato ka dito. So actually guys, there are 2 kayaks here in Kawayan Malaboyoc that you can use. I'm not sure yet kung pila ang rent sa kayak kay let us use the kayak for free for the BYC fam. So thank you so much Kawayan Marine Malaboyoc for letting us use the kayak, the amenities here for free. Ano sila dito? Hello guys! Say way baby! Oh.
How to feel about it? No, I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it. How to feel about it? No, I don't even know how to feel about it.
Tara, mga ito natabalik na ito dito. Kaya galupad ko dyan. Calibrate, rotate horizontally, and then vertically.
Wow. It's calibrated na
It's calibrated.
Amazing. Idi!
Okay.
Look, Idi! Look.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of the day. We are young, we are free, down for the ride.
Hello, kabigin sa mong pilot.
Alright guys, so I'm back here sa Kawayan. So nagpalupad ko ni drone and nice kayo di ang view dire with the mountain sa likod and then nadiri ang kuan. Ano sila dito guys, nag-ready na sila for breakfast. I think dili sa mag-breakfast, wala pang gutom. So sila Margaret kay na dito nag-snorkeling na sila. I think moadto ko dito guys kaya I want to see the big clams. I hope makita nato. Let's go guys. Alright days friends, so padung ko dito nila Margaret guys kay going to see the big clams. Let's see if na ba big clams. But look at this guys, oh. Mga corals, di ba klaro ra? Oh, di ba? See that guys?
You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. If it's only for now, I don't mind. 'Cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind. 'Cause I know that your love is endless.
Guys, oh my god. Sakit kayo guys, look at me. Tingin ko sa jellyfish. Dili maklaro ang mga big clams. Guys, we need to see the big clams. Sige, balik ko na tabi. Ato, doon ko na ako. Wala yung jellyfish, makakuha mo gano'n jellyfish. Ay, ano na? There's some jellyfish. Mga puti sila, dili sila makita. I was not able to see the big clams, guys. I'm back here and look at this. Look at my knees. I got some sting from the jellyfish, guys. Oh my gosh, I need to put some vinegar. Ingon sila kay butangan ta og vinegar. Gano mang vinegar man ang ibutang?
Umbot lang. Basta kay maura na siya naandan.
Ah. Oh. Tagan kayo siya, guys.
Mo di ka kita te.
Di man, dili sila maklaro. Hala, oh my gosh. Ay gani, gamay ra diri. Maligo na lang kong vinegar, ani. Ni maho na tanig ang hit. Wala pa gid ko kakita sa clams kay kuan kanang dili klaro.
Ano man?
Di klaro dito ang kuan, visibility ba niya. So mag-breakfast na ko. Unsa ni budbud no? Sige lang, sige mga anak ta kuya. Ako ang plato ha.
Everything we needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for now.
Alright, days friends, so I'm done changing my clothes, guys, and I've already prepared my stuff. So here, there guys, na-fix na siya, and my sister also. From here, we will go to Malaboyoc because we're going to see the turtles and we're going to swim with the sardines. So yes, guys, let's go!
Dangerous, selfish ways to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying.